Hey everyone! If you're a B.Tech fresher and looking to dive into the world of SAP ABAP, you've come to the right place. Today, I'm going to tell you why Surya, the ultimate SAP ABAP guru, is the best choice to kickstart your career. First things first, what's SAP ABAP? SAP ABAP stands for Advanced Business Application Programming. It's a specialized programming language used to develop applications for the SAP ecosystem. And trust me, it's a big deal in the world of enterprise software. So, why should you care about SAP ABAP? Well, SAP dominates the market when it comes to enterprise resource planning solutions. As an SAP ABAP developer, you'll be highly sought after, with tons of career opportunities and some pretty lucrative salaries. Plus, job security and growth in this field are top-notch. Now let me introduce you to Surya. Surya isn't just any SAP trainer, he's a seasoned expert with years of hands-on experience in the SAP world. He's worked with global clients and developed large-scale SAP applications. But what makes Surya stand out is his passion for teaching and his deep understanding of the SAP ecosystem. Surya's training program is specifically designed for B.Tech freshers. He knows that jumping straight into advanced concepts can be overwhelming. So, he starts with the basics and gradually moves to more complex topics. This step-by-step approach ensures you build a strong foundation before tackling the tough stuff. What's more, Surya's training is incredibly practical. You won't just learn theory, you'll get hands-on experience with real-life SAP projects. This practical focus helps you build confidence and get job ready. Let's dive into the features of Surya's SAP ABAP training program. First up, the curriculum is beginner-friendly. Every topic is explained in simple, easy-to-understand terms. Next, the training is packed with practical examples and hands-on exercises. You'll be coding, debugging, and troubleshooting SAP ABAP applications in no time. The learning experience with Surya is interactive and engaging. You'll work on real-time projects and get job-oriented training. By the end of the program, you'll be ready to impress any employer. Surya offers flexible learning options too. Whether you prefer online, offline, or hybrid classes, he's got you covered. Plus, the learning schedules are designed to fit the lifestyle of freshers. But don't just take my word for it. Surya's students have some amazing success stories. Take Ramesh, for example. After completing Surya's training, he landed a high-paying SAP ABAP role at a top multinational company. And the support doesn't stop after the training. Surya provides ongoing support with job placement assistance, continuous learning resources, and networking opportunities with industry professionals. So, how do you get started? It's simple. Just reach out to Surya at +917 209 409717, fill in the registration form, choose your preferred learning slot, make the payment, and you're good to go. In conclusion, Surya's SAP ABAP training is the perfect platform for B.Tech freshers to start a rewarding career in the SAP domain. With his practical learning approach and job readiness focus, Surya ensures you get top-notch training. Ready to step into the world of SAP? Surya is the best trainer to guide you. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you next time.